Hi, I'm Sherilyn. I'm the event coordinator for athletic teams in a private school, and I would give Cheddar a 5-star rating. Before Cheddar, I was using email and spreadsheets, and it was super cumbersome, super hard to track people down, to figure out who had paid and who had signed up to help with the event. And so I was very frustrated with all of that extra work and trying to track people down. I chose Cheddar in my journey to find a tool that would be more inclusive and would be a great communication tool and an easy way for people to make a payment and sign up to help at an event. And I found that this was an all-inclusive tool. People loved it. And email exchanges went to 0, and all the communication happened through the tool. Using Cheddar is super easy, super convenient, and super helpful. If you are frustrated in organizing events, collecting payments, Cheddar is the tool for you. It will make your life so much easier. People love using it on the other end because it's streamlined, and your job of organizing just got 100% better.